come to the show. And we do not have to put the for each loop because we have only one column. And we're gonna remove all this, remove also this, and here we are going to view all by details. So let us remove this anchor tag. We don't need it in the show.blade.php. We're gonna get all information. Yes, and here we are going to get only products. Yes, let us remove the product ID like this. Yes. Okay, and as you can see, this product properties is returned is here in singular because we have only one. The reason why we do not put get, but we have to put phrase because we want only to select one field, only one field, only one column. Where ID is this parameter, this. And we are going to select all these fields where this column is ID, this ID. And let us back here, we're going to reload a page. We have strawberry. And if we click, for example, on strawberry to view some details there, let us wait. Yes, as you can see, we have all by details. We have strawberry. We have all this. You can see we have show/2, and we have all information as you can see. So let us go back to the show page. We have some, yes, as you can see, and then I'm gonna reload to remove this. Yes, I'm gonna get yes, the strawberry as you can see. And if I go back to the services page, and if I click on mango, I'm gonna display also different information about the mango. So let us come first to 2, and to display mango, I'm gonna click on mango, and I'm gonna get all information about the mango. As you can see, I have mango, I have the price, I have the description, all, and created it by using first of all the query builder. Very simple and very clear. And we can also use the model, the Laravel eloquent. Very simple and very clear. And we need also to create, and then here you're gonna say product, and you're gonna call your model, which is product, and you're gonna say like this. You're gonna say fund, and if you put this fund function, just put your ID here, which is your parameter. That means you're gonna find in the products table where the column is this ID. Very simple and very easy, and only like this. And you take your variable here, so remove this. You take your variable here, you're gonna put here, and we're gonna get the same thing. So let us first comment this. We're gonna get an error, so let us go back here and reload to see we're gonna get the same results. As you can see, we have mango. And if I come here to the services, if I come to 2 to search for the mango, I come to 1 where is strawberry. If I click on strawberry, you're gonna see I'm gonna get the same thing by using the model. You can use the query builder, you can use the Laravel eloquent, but the most popular is the model. And I think that this is the best way to use, and I would advise you to use this way. And we are going to continue to the next video. Yes, and in the request here, you are going to put exactly what you have here. This field is what you have in your database, in your products table, products name, and what you are going to put here is what you have in your form. I'm gonna take this in the name, take your name here, product pages controller, and I'm gonna pass it like this, and I'm gonna take also product in singular, product price like this. And I'm gonna say request in the product price. Put the same thing with this. Copy this and we're gonna pass it here. I think that you understand. Product description, and here we're gonna get request, and here we're gonna get product description. Yes, like this product description. And if you want to save, you're gonna get only this, the same thing. You're gonna say save. This is your function here, and very simple and very clear. You're gonna say save, and we are going to back here. I'm gonna say, for example, we have mango and strawberry. I'm gonna say, for example, here juice, for example. I'm gonna set the price 100. This is the juice, and I'm gonna click on add product, and I have here creating default from empty value. What? Pages controller. No, we have to remove this S, please. Yes, like this. This is the juice, and let us click on add product. Yes, the product is saved. And if we go back here and click on products to reload a page, you should see we are going to get the juice here. Very simple and very clear. And we are going to continue to the next video.